पीके मेरे दोस्त, वेलकम टू द रिटायर्ड क्लब। तुम हरदम मेरे गानों पे दाद देते हो, इसीलिए कुछ लाइनें स्पेशली तुम्हारे लिए।
दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं।
Pramod Kumar Singh, PK to his dear friends, is a very special person in my life. Apart from being a batchmate, he was also a shipmate. We sailed on motor vessel Prafulla. We were the delivery crew and we took the delivery of the vessel from Sunderland in Scotland. In fact, one side of Pramod, of course, which we were all very jealous, the cadets during that period, was whenever we went ashore, whether it be in US or in Europe, the Pinkies, the Lady Gagas, the Madonnas, the Blondes were all highly attracted by him, such a handsome guy, and we too were very jealous of it. Well, the other side of PK is very scholarly. He speaks not much. In fact, he is all ears. He listens. That is one quality which is lost. Babiji, this is for you. You have got a great husband. You are very lucky to have him. And the son and the daughter has made PK to have a great life. So you should be very proud of your family. In fact, the shipping corporation is very proud of you. You are one among those who started with your shipping career with the Shipping Corporation of India, and you are taking your retirement from the same company. Not all can claim such an innings. Shipping Corporation would most definitely lose such a great talent and asset, which will be very difficult for them to replace.
Hi, sir. How are you? It's so frustrating you are retiring during this lockdown period. We know how much you must be missing the get together and the proper send off. You have been planning this for a long time. Anyway, sir, main thing is we are going to miss you when office resumes, and I'm going to miss the little chats we used to have and daily request for a party for a house sitting to South Bombay, which we finally never got. Sir, I am sure you are going to enjoy your post-retirement life with your lovely family. I wish you good health, happiness, and a stress-free post-retirement life.
Hello Pramod, finally the day has come to hang your boot. मज़े करो, रिटायर हो रहे हो, 40 साल नौकरी की, excellent job, have a nice life and enjoy.
Hi PK Saab. On the eve of your happy superannuation, I am wishing you and your family all the success, happiness, peace, prosperity and good health. Have a great second inning. Enjoy. Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, how are you? Or sir, when I met you the first time on Jaduna Singh, I was not even born at sea, but you gave me such a great guidance, because of which I am what I am today. You are such a great person and I have learned a lot under you. I came to know that you are retiring this week and you had a great fulfilling career. I am sure you are going to have a very good post-retirement period as well, because you are such a nice human being. You must have made a lot of friends and you will always be a great company for people to be with you, and I really miss you. That's why I call you my Sultan. I have always called you my Sultan and you will always remain my Sultan. Have a great second innings, Sultan, and I will very soon meet you in Mumbai and we will have a great time. Thank you.
Yeah, this goes back too many years. I think it's way back in 1980 or 1981. Yeah, a good 40 years back. PK and I sailed as cadets on MB Prafulla, the Shipping Corporation cadet ship. I think it was one of the best times we guys had on board. We had a wonderful crowd. We had about 14 or 15 cadets. I remember PK. I mean, we were all young lads, naughty as hell, up to all the mischief. Profula gave us the chance to be the naughtiest ever. I haven't met PK in all these years. Just got in touch a few days back. PK, you've had a long inning, and looking forward to seeing you soon in Bombay. All the best, buddy. Take care.
Understand that Captain PK Singh is superannuating on 31st May 2020. SCI is surely going to miss the services of a dedicated and committed employee. Captain PK Singh is a versatile man, having worked in almost all divisions of SCI, predominantly liners, but he also worked in offshore and BNT. Most important, he took up the challenging posting at Port Blair. My wife joins me in wishing Captain PK Singh and his family all the very best in his future endeavors and ventures.
नमस्कार कैप्टन पीके सिंह जी। सर, आपने जितनी सेवाएं देश को दी हैं, शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया को दी हैं, यू हैव गिवन बेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड दैट इज हाउ शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन हैज़ अवॉर्डेड यू मेनी टाइम बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय। बट पर्सनली सर, मैं आपसे पहली बार मिला था जब हम लोग गार्डन में वोटिंग सेंटर में बैठे हुए थे और इलेक्शंस चल रहे थे सर। तो उस समय मैंने आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करी थी मेरे पैनल को वोट करें, एंड यू हैव बीन अ ग्रेट सपोर्ट टू मी इन लोखंडवाला। और आज आप रिटायर हो रहे हैं सर। इतने सालों की तपस्या रही है आपकी शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया में। जो समय फैमिली को देना था वो भी आपने फैमिली को ना देकर देश को, शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया और सीफेयर्स को दिया। उसके लिए सर मेरे जैसा एक साधारण व्यक्ति तो आपको सारी ज़िंदगी याद रखेगा। और आप जैसे सर कई लोगों ने, कई पीढ़ियाँ जो हैं वो खप गई, तब आज जाकर हमारे यहाँ सीफेयर्स 2.5 लाख का आंकड़ा छू रहे हैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट में। तो SCI एक गंगोत्री के जैसे है सर, लॉट ऑफ सीफेयर्स कम आउट ऑफ इट, एंड आपने कईयों के करियर्स बनाए हैं। और मेरे हर एक व्हाट्सअप मैसेज पर, क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारा व्हाट्सअप करता हूँ, लेकिन सैल्यूट है सर कि आप मेरे हर एक छोटे से छोटे मैसेज को, बड़ी सी बड़ी कहानी को पढ़ते हैं, उस पर अपना कमेंट देते हैं और मेरे साथ जुड़े रहते हैं। आप स्वामी समर्थ नगर से हैं सर, मैं आपका पड़ोसी हूँ। अभी सर मॉर्निंग गार्डन वॉक से लेकर जो पॉलिसी मेकिंग है, कई जगहों पर हम आपके साथ वैसे ही जुड़े रहेंगे जैसे पहले जुड़े रहते थे। तो आपका समय सीफेयर्स के लिए चलता रहे सर। आपकी फैमिली बहुत बढ़िया सर, गणपति फेस्टिवल में आप फैमिली के साथ आए थे, एंड not just that they have not appreciated what so many years you have done out at sea or out at SCI office. I think they will always cherish your best days of SCI, and now onwards best days for seafarers and society which you will continue to work. सर, सीफेयर कभी रिटायर नहीं होता सर, आप रिटायर हो ही नहीं सकते, हम आपको होने नहीं देंगे, आपसे काम लेते रहेंगे सर। अभी तो और बड़ा काम शुरू करेंगे। इसी आशा के साथ सर मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं आपका और आपकी फैमिली का, जिन्होंने भारत के नवरत्न शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया को इतना समय दिया। जय हिंद, जय नाविक।
Devio Sajjanov, ladies and gentlemen, today is 31st May 2020. Our PK is going to retire from the services of SCI. I do not remember when PK came to my department, but I suppose it was 2012 when I was away to my native, and when I came back, I saw PK working with me. PK, it was nice working with you. You didn't come to my retirement at Calcutta. Even though today I am in Bombay, I cannot come. God didn't allow me to attend your because of Corona. In these circumstances, I prepared this clip specially for you to bid farewell and wish you all the best after the retirement from SCI. Take care.
Hello PK Singh Saab, hope you'll be doing fine now. We are aware that your stint with SCI is coming to an end on 31st May. Although we had a big plan for your farewell party, but unfortunately due to COVID-19 it could not happen. But anyway, I think we have a plan for your formal farewell in future whenever we get an opportunity, as indicated by Director Madam also. Although it will be a very sad part, because we may not be finding you next to my cubicle. You have been always a very social person, and you always used to interact with each and everyone with a very jovial mood. So of course we all will be missing you for that. And anyway, I just like to say thank you for all your support, guidance, and everything, for your contribution to the department as well as on personal front also. So all the best for your next inning.
Hello sir, how are you? Congratulations on the eve of your retirement. It was good time, all the way memories from 1993 Varanasi, 1997 with family at Lok Prakas. Good to hear your retirement is due now. You will be free from the office chores. Now plan everything that is in your dream. All the best for your healthy life, and I hope to be in touch with you. Once again, congratulations and wish you a happy retired life. Thank you.
Hope you are all well. It's really unfortunate for us to not be with you at the time of your superannuation due to this lockdown. We really hope once this open, we must meet and see your jolly face as always. You are on the floor. You have such a nice family that you will sure enjoy your second inning more with them. Hope all well and you keep on smiling and being cheerful every time as you always did for the rest of your life, which is long way to go. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Hi Pramod. I heard that you are superannuating today. So all the very best. But first, actually, I wonder, you look too young to retire at this age. I still thought that you had a couple of years left before you superannuated from SCI. But nonetheless, it's a great day. I think to start your next innings. I'm sure you'll find many more avenues, more creative avenues to channelize your talents. You'll have more time to spend with your family, your loved ones, your daughter, your son, your wife. You can have more quality time with them. I think after the ship, after a gap of maybe 15 years, you'll again get time to spend some quality time with them. So all the very best. Enjoy yourself and give the life one more go. Wish you good health, happiness and peace. Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Hi PK. I believe it's your retirement time. You've been a wonderful batchmate and a good friend and a lovely human being. Believe me, it's a wonderful time of life. So enjoy it. Thumbs up.
Hey Pramod, hi. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday and a wonderful second innings in life. Have a great retired life. Bye for now.
Okay, hi PK. First of all, I wish you best on your superannuation day and also welcome you to Senior Citizen Club. Though we all sailed for a very long time before we joined offshore or before we joined the SCI offshore department, and we learned a lot, and that is the place where we met each other. And you remember those difficult hours, difficult environment in offshore vessel, and we'll remember it throughout our life. PK, is very unfortunate that we could not celebrate and join your sign-off party due to present coronavirus spread. But I'm sure we will make it sometime in future. And for present and for time being, I will just wish you and your family a very, very peaceful, healthy and happy life ahead in your second inning. And also thanks to Divya who has given this idea. And please keep in touch. Bye.
Hi, Captain PK Singh. We used to call you PK lovingly. You are one of the persons we used to always look forward to, smiling face. Always, whenever I used to come to SCI, I would try to catch up with you if you are free. SCI will miss you. Congratulations on completing your tenure there, but you got lots more to do. If you can give back to the industry with all your knowledge and continue with the good work you are doing with the beach cleaning and things like that. You are always a lover of nature. Please continue with that and best of luck. Bye.
Hi, Divya and Keshav. A very thoughtful gesture of yours to create a video collage for your dad. I know your dad for last 10 to 15 years. He's been working with SCI, a real dedicated person throughout his career. In fact, I was surprised when he got a message on CMMI group that he has retired. He never looked so old to me. He has been interacting with me in port sector in Mumbai for last 10-15 years. A gem of a person. I've never seen him getting angry with anyone. And I'm sure same is the case at home with you all. Captain PK Singh, fondly known as PK to everybody, a real always ready to help. In fact, I will tell you a small incident. For a few years, he was posted to Andaman Nicobar passenger service operation. I didn't know about it. So one day I called him. I told him that I have some difficulty regarding port operations. This is the issue. He said, okay, he will get me back. After a few years, he got back and told me this is what you have to do or this is what the thing is there. मैंने सब कुछ कर दिया. Then later on he told me, अभी आपको कुछ ज़रूरत हो तो उसको बोल देना, उसको भी बोल देना. He didn't say that don't call me. He said that you can call him also. So that showed that his readiness to work, always ready to extend help and with a smiling face. I wish him all the best in his second inning. And PK sir, welcome to the senior citizen group. मिलते हैं अभी farewell के लिए. Thank you.
Hi PK. So joining our club, Senior Citizen Club. All the best wishes to you, your family, and due to pandemic, I know we will not be able to meet. See you sometime when everything is sorted out, all is safe. But till then, take care. Bye.
Dear PK, my wife and family join me in wishing you all the very best as you superannuate from service. It's been 4 decades of your service with SCI and you retire without a single blemish, which is very, very creditable in a government setup like Shipping Corporation of India. Thank you for serving with SCI. Thank you for doing all your best for SCI. I have known you for more than 3 decades. We have done sea service together. We have gone through the ups and downs in the shipping industry together. And through all these ups and downs, you have come out as a very cool and a composed person. And that is a hallmark of a true professional. Take everything in your stride. We have seen the Iran-Iraq war, the Kuwait war, the mobilization for the Kargil war, the 2611 episode, the tsunami in Andaman and South India, and lately you have also been Corona warrior in the fight against this virus. In all these you have done very well as a team player, and you have remained humble and down to earth. This is what I really like. You have been so down to earth, so humble in spite of your so many accomplishments and achievements. You have been a team player and you do SCI very proud. On your superannuation, may I wish you all the very best. May God shower all His choicest blessing onto you and your family, and may you live life king size, be happy, be stress free, and stress free. And I do hope you will have a very enjoyable second innings. Thank you.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
हाय प्रमोद, क्या मेरी आवाज़ फेमिलियर लग रही है? छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं, 20 साल में तो आदमी नाम भी भूल जाता है, पर मैं तो तुम्हें और रिंकू को फेसबुक पर ट्रैक करता रहता हूँ, क्योंकि हम दोनों ने साथ साथ अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया और स्क्रैच से अपनी गृहस्थी चालू की। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि एक बहुत लंबी ऑफिशियल ड्यूटी को सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट करके आज तुम रिटायर हो रहे हो। बहुत बहुत बधाई। स्मार्टी रिंकू, क्यूट केशु और एवर स्माइलिंग मधु को देखकर भी ये क्लियर है कि होम फ्रंट पर भी तुमने अपनी ड्यूटी बखूबी निभाई है। अब टाइम आ गया है जब तुम अपनी पसंद की वो सारी चीज़ें करो जिसके बारे में केवल सोचते रहते थे। बहुत बहुत बधाई मधु को भी, जिसने तुम्हारा साथ देते हुए 2 खूबसूरत बच्चों को बड़ा किया है। बहुत बहुत प्यार रिंकू और केशव को, जो अपनी लाइफ को बहुत अच्छी तरह संवार रहे हैं। Once again, many congratulations on your retirement day.
Hello sir, hello madam. I'm Sujata here from Liner Technical Division. We are today here to bid farewell to you sir, who is retiring from SCI services after completion of 41 years. That is great achievement. As we all aware that birthday wishes is the department practice, and we celebrate your birthday on 10th May of every year. This year personally, we could not celebrate your birthday due to this COVID situation. So we all decided to wish you online. Accordingly, birthday wishes were exchanged on 10th May on WhatsApp, as this was very special birthday as you have completed 60 years. Today your daughter Divya gave us fantastic idea about to bid farewell to you by giving surprise message from home. Sir, I got transfer from FP to Liner Division. At that juncture, you were handling port operation department. My exactly association came with you when my work switched over from own vessel to managed vessel. Your valuable advice and instruction with regard to my work, that is spare part related job of SS Kama, PDA, FDA, which taught me how to do this work efficiently and effectively. Thank you, sir. Sir, we will always remember your smiling face, cool attitude, and that too without any tension, and very professional approach towards your work. Sir, you are very kind-hearted and spiritual personality. We have seen you praying to Sai Baba every day. We saw your active participation in office program, social gathering, puja, etc. Sir, as you are very fond of social gathering program, in this regard, I would like to share one pic along with SCI family members when Swachh Bharat Abhiyan program was scheduled at Warsaw, Andheri. So thank you so much for your cooperation. Good luck for your third innings. Keep smiling always as you are now. Myself, my family members, LTCPS, Liner Division wish you a very and happy, peaceful retirement life, sir. Good luck, sir. Take care and all the best.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Captain Anil Sharma. What can I say about Captain PK Singh? Pramod being my batchmate, we both are from 78, 79, 1978, 79 Rajendra. So I know Pramod since last 42 years. Of course, PK got married little early. I remember when I was down for my mates in 1984. I was staying at Marine Club, and he came with Bhabiji in Marine Club. That was in September, October 1984. And of course, he has sailed with me also on passenger ship Akbar. We have sailed together. And of course, when I joined office in August 2000, then he also joined on staff as master on staff in, I think, around 2002 in offshore department. Offshore department, there were a lot of requirements for masters on staff because we had taken over ONGC vessel. So he joined there. But after some time, he went back. He went back sailing and joined office a little late. And after he joined office, then of course we have been regularly in touch with each other, attending various functions, get-togethers, your weddings of children of various batchmates, also send-off of the colleagues, superannuation and all that. And of course we have been enjoying our birthday parties in the office, samosa parties in each other's cabin. And so we kept meeting. We had, with our batchmates. We used to meet in the evening during tea time, samosa party. We remember that. And one thing about PK, what I will mention, that he is famous for coming to the functions, get together, getting little late. He normally comes for the get together after 10 p.m. around 10:30. When we are about to leave, because I normally go around 8:30 or so and leave by 10:30. But normally when I am leaving, that time used to, come. So I kept telling PK, Pramod, thoda jaldi aa jaya karo. But he doesn't get tense. He enjoys his schedule, he never tense. He's never tense, right? And of course, I know his family very well. He and Bhabiji, they are followers of ISKCON and regularly go there. And I know his children also very well. And now I want to congratulate Pramod on his superannuation, and I wish him all the very best for his second innings. All the best. Take care, PK.
Good day. On the occasion of Pramod Kumar Singh's impending retirement, here is a small message from me. All mates are equal, but some mates are more equal than the others. This I can say with all the emphasis about Pramod Kumar Singh. We first met 42 years ago as starry-eyed teenagers, apprehensive of our alien environment, a dread of sea life which lay ahead of us. But once we boys interacted and sorted out our compatible companions, the name of PK Singh stood out like a shining beacon. Who could ever forget the smiling, innocent face, bereft of commonplace prejudices, ego, and similar attributes which abound in our society? He was, and still is, a person whom anybody would love to have as a bosom friend. Time passed, and we went our different ways out in this wide world. I lost touch with most of our mates for years together before the marvels of technology brought us together on one platform. And between the rolling years, when it came to serendipitous meetings, the affable and cheerful countenance of PK Singh stood out like a shining beacon, and the past recollections overpowered me emotionally. PK, as we would call PK Singh, is like a refulgent light in which any mate would love to bask in serenity. I found him simple, unassuming, amicable, but thoroughly professional when it came to duty. He is the type of friend who does not need to announce his large tender-heartedness. Everybody who was close to him knew they could lean upon him in troubled times. It has been such a long time, and we all have gone our varied ways in life. And at this juncture, having completed such a long innings, I can safely vouch that PK is replete with a graceful charm that renders him one of the best companions for life one could wish for. An epitome of righteousness, integrity, benignity, and such friendship suffuses my breast with pure joy. PK will retire from service shortly, but he will never retire from my affectionate leanings. God bless him and his family with a long and healthy life. Signing off, Captain Kunal Lohar.
Greetings from New Zealand. This is Arun Chaudhary wishing you a very, very happy retired life. You have a wonderful family, and this will give you lots more time to spend with them and do the things that you love to do. Take care, my friend.
Captain P.K. Singh has served the sea and the sea trade for well over 4 decades. For me personally, it is very satisfying to recall Captain P.K. Singh's long journey through his career at sea. 42 years ago, a boy born far away from the sea raised his right hand and promised, "I will always put my ship before myself." And he defended that promise all along with hard work, dedication, commitment, excellence in all his assignments. Serving the sea for 42 years is a great achievement and commands respect because the sea offers extraordinary challenges and opportunities. A sailor's life is a saga of extreme hard work and sacrifice, professionally and personally. In each assignment, whether at sea or ashore, at Andaman Islands or at Mumbai, what stands out is his dedication, accuracy to work. Captain P.K. Singh had a truly impressive work ethics and followed up every project up to the last minute and last details. A shining example that with hard work, motivation, and dedication, one can achieve great success. At the time of one's retirement, people often wonder, did I give my best, my fullest to the profession? Did I make a difference? Having known you, Captain P.K. Singh, very closely for 4 decades, I can say yes, 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 you performed wonderfully. Yes, you made a difference. Divya and Keshav, your dad is a great captain, very skilled and very accomplished. He completed a memorable career. He is also a highly dedicated family man. Part of the reason for his success in all his endeavors has been that he has a great family, wonderful kids, and a very, very loving and dedicated wife. Thank you all for being alongside him and supporting him all the while. A successful career at sea owes much to the support of a loving and dedicated, caring family back home. This day is a great day, as much about the sacrifices made by Captain PK as it is about the sacrifices made by his family and the support provided by you all. Both of you, along with your mom, have sacrificed a lot. Now, post-retirement, we are going to have this wonderful person with you full time. Thank you. Captain PK, now as you start your second chapter of life with pride and satisfaction, I will request you to pass on your experience to the younger sailors.
Hi, this is Shobhushachi Hajra, former Chairman and Managing Director of Shipping Corporation of India. I have come to know from Divya and Keshav the daughter and son of Captain P.K. Singh, my former colleague in SCI and Master Mariner, who has very recently superannuated, that they are organizing some online tribute to him for a very long and distinguished career in SCI, which I think ranged for about 41 years. This is a wonderful initiative and speaks volumes about their love, affection and admiration for their father. I have found PK to be always very diligent, sincere, hardworking and knowledgeable in his subjects, and I have also found him always to be a very good human being and very amiable. I am quite confident that post his superannuation from SCI, he will continue to serve the maritime industry and will continue to benefit the sector as well as the society in general. I wish him all the best. God bless.
Hi PK, congratulations on completing your successful tenure in SCI. I wish you full of fun, enjoyable, healthy life in your second innings too. We both had started our career in SCI together when we joined Sanchi. You were so simple and down to the earth. We completed 14 months like a family member. Best part of yours was cool, calm during any situation. This was the key to your success and good health. I wish you again congratulations and best of the luck. Thank you very much. Bye bye PK. See you again.
38 ईयर से जानती हूँ और देख रही हूँ। वो 38 साल से शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया में काम कर रहे हैं, जो कि एक गवर्नमेंट कंपनी है, और उनके साथ मेरा वो 41 ईयर से काम कर रहे हैं शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया में, और 41 साल की जर्नी कंप्लीट हुई और अब रिटायर होने जा रहे हैं। मेरा पहला जहाज़ विश्व शक्ति था, जो मैं कलकत्ता में ज्वाइन की थी, वो एक अंकल के साथ गई थी। उसके बाद से बहुत शिप ज्वाइन किया, और उस शिप में कैप्टन थे जो हमें लॉलीपॉली बुलाया करते थे, और जब भी डिनर के लिए जाते थे तो पूछते थे कि तुम्हारी लॉलीपॉली तैयार हुई कि नहीं, जाके देखो रेडी है कि नहीं। और इस तरह हम लोगों को जहाज़ का सफ़र शुरू हुआ। उसके बाद पहला शिप विश्व मोहिनी ज्वाइन किया, तो हमारी लड़की भी मेरे साथ थी, और उसमें हम लोग काफ़ी डंडी, बेल्जियम, जर्मनी, यूके बहुत सारे पोर्ट में गए। काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। पहला शिप में 3-4 महीने भी रहे थे। एससीआई के कारण मैंने काफ़ी सारे लोगों से मिली। एससीआई के कारण मैं प्रेरणा चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट में मेंबर बनी, और वहाँ पर काफ़ी अच्छे दिन गुजारे। वहाँ पे बहुत सारे पार्टीज अटेंड किए, जो चेयरमैन्स के रिटायरमेंट पार्टी हुई, जिसमें नीरू गुप्ता, मिसेस दास, गीतांजलि नरूला और बीबी सिन्हा, सबके साथ मिले। बहुत अच्छा लगा, और सबके साथ एक घरेलू संबंध जैसा बन गया था। आगे भी मिलते रहेंगे। और प्रेरणा के कारण हम लोग चैरिटी के लिए काफ़ी जगह जाते थे। न्यू बॉम्बे, शायन, लेप्रोसी प्रोजेक्ट में अभी लेटेस्ट गए थे, जो 4 मार्च 2020 को हम लोगों ने किया। और एक जगह जाना था, लेकिन लॉकडाउन और कोरोना के कारण सब कैंसिल हो गया, और तब से तो सब घर में ही रह रहे हैं। मेमोरी हमेशा हम लोगों के साथ रहेगी। अच्छे दिन बहुत गुजारे एससीआई में। एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे वगैरह में भी हम लोग जाते थे। वो काफ़ी लंबे समय तक शिप में रहते थे। बच्चे हमें मिस करते थे, हम लोग इंतज़ार करते थे कि कब घर आएंगे। उन्होंने अपने बेटे को बड़े होते हुए नहीं देखा। बोलते हैं कि मैंने देखा ही नहीं, केशु कब बड़ा हुआ, चलना कब सीखा मुझे नहीं पता। अब हम लोग सब एक साथ टाइम बिता रहे हैं। लॉकडाउन के चलते तो 2 महीने से एक साथ ही रह रहे हैं सब घर में। मैं पीके को अच्छे रिटायरमेंट लाइफ विश करती हूँ। अभी काफ़ी टाइम बाकी है जो हम लोग अच्छे से जिएंगे, और इससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ। बाकी तो सब यादें हैं जो रहेगी हमेशा साथ। थैंक यू SCI and SCI family members.
Hi Dad, I know this is a very important day for you. You've been waiting for this day for a long time, but obviously it's not the end of work for you as you've been telling me. Today I'd just like to take you back to the day when it was actually the first conversation I had with you regarding your work. I think I was 8 or 9 and I asked you, why do you work at all, like how kids ask. And your answer was very sweet and simple. You waited for 2 seconds and you told me that you work for the country, and that explains why you are with SCI for 41 years now, which is a remarkable achievement. Even though you got offers from elsewhere, from private companies or companies abroad, and so congratulations to that effort. And hopefully there is more of work for you, because you're not okay with retiring right now. So all the best for the next chapter.
Hello Papa, how are you? I hope you like this video that we planned for you. We've been doing this since 4-5 days behind your back. All the contacts were taken from your phone, and I hope you did not find out, and I hope this was a surprise for you, and I hope you liked it. I know we are all disappointed that you are not getting the proper send-off that you do deserve. But we had a nice Zoom meeting with all your colleagues, and it was really, really nice to see how sweet they are. And I would like to start this by thanking them first, because they cooperated, and they were camera shy still, and they've never done this before, they told me. Still, they made efforts and they sent the videos. Some of them couldn't in time, but thanks to them also, some of the ones whose videos haven't reached us or reached late, but your messages and your well wishes are always with Dad, and I know that. And for you, Dad, you have been with SCI for 41 years, like a lot of people said. And what I learned from you is, as a child, I had asked you once that you told us that when you were in Panama Canal, you were offered a job in Canada, in Australia, in various places with perks like a car for each family member, admission in the best schools and colleges, and a perfect house, and everything. But you never went. You always said no. When I was really young, like probably 12, I had told you why not, because let's go. Because I used to love sailing, so I probably must have thought of it's sailing and we are going somewhere. But I'm glad you didn't leave India, and I would like to thank you for that. And I would like to thank you for teaching me that you want to serve India and you want to serve your family staying here. And while you were away on SCI sailing, we also were a part of that sacrifice. So we have seen and lived through those years. So we feel a part in it too. I remember how I used to cry every time you left, and how I used to be so happy every time there was even there was a gift by you that would be sent. There was once when you came back after 22 months, because you had to be on the ship and you had to be there and you couldn't leave. There are so many memories. We were the first people to see Kit Kat in India, I think, at that time, around the people that I knew. And we have literally grown up on the ship. This is what I will always carry. This really vivid memory I have from our sailing days on the ship, where we literally grew up as kids, where you had tailored for us those little boiler suits, those jumpers, and you used to train us with the other cadets and everybody else, the seamen, and we used to paint the hatches and the decks. I don't know if anybody else has these memories, and all thanks to you that we had this disciplined life when we were on board. And I really miss that. I really miss sailing, and I know you miss it too. And I know you love office. When you joined Shore Job, you were close to us. You spent more time with us. And again, the lure of sailing and a little more income did not make you go back. Once you got taste of shore life and staying with family and participating in our 10th board exams and 12th board exams, you did not want to go back. And you love SCI, you treat the company like your own, and we all are going to miss it as much as you do. But it's the beginning. Life is not over, life has just begun. And you have so much to give to the people. You have also been a teacher at MTI and at Lal Bahadur Shastri College. So there is so much to give and so much to do, but it is your choice. And I want you to do what you want to do. I only want you to do something that is not hectic and that makes you love life. And I know you never want to retire. So I hope you find something that keeps you going and that makes you give back to shipping and India. And all I would like to say is I wish a long, happy, healthy, prosperous, even more successful, and full of joy and lots of dreams still that can come true. I wish all of that for you, and I wish everything that you want happens. Thank you so much for everything. See you at home.